June 6, 1944. We're almost at the beach. Everyone's quiet. I just hope we all make it through today. The ramp is opening. That's Omaha Beach. We've trained for this day, but nothing could prepare us for what we're seeing. The water's freezing. We have to keep moving. We can't stop here. We're using these obstacles for cover. Everyone's trying to move forward together, one step at a time. We're almost at the seawall. Once we reach it, we'll regroup and keep moving inland. Everyone, stay together. We finally reached some cover. The next step is moving inland, and I'm staying with them to document every moment. We've made it off the beach. The hardest part isn't over yet. We're heading farther inland. I'll keep filming as long as I can. It's strange. Just beyond this hedge, everything looks peaceful. But this is only the beginning of our journey inland. We're moving out! The beach is behind us now. But every field, every road, every hedgerow could hide danger. We're staying alert. We've reached the first farmhouse beyond the beach. The squad is checking every corner before we move. Out here, patience can be just as important as courage. The farmhouse is clear. We're moving deeper into Normandy now. Every step takes us farther from the beach and closer to our objective. We're crossing deeper into Normandy. It feels peaceful here, but everyone knows we have to stay focused. The mission continues. We've crossed the bridge. There's a village ahead, and that's where we're heading next. I'll keep recording everything I can. We've reached the village. Seeing these homes reminds me that this isn't just a battlefield, it's where people live. We keep moving forward. We're deeper inland now. Every street tells a story. And today, history is being written right in front of us. We've left the village behind. Out here, the fields seem endless, but every mile brings us closer to our goal. These hedgerows are everywhere in Normandy. They may look peaceful, but they shape every step we take. We're moving carefully. From this hill, you can see how far we've come. The beach feels like another world now. But the journey continues. We're leaving the cover of the hedgerows and crossing open ground. Everyone is moving together, and every person has a role to play. From up here, I can see the road behind us and the path ahead. This journey started on the beach, but our story is still being written. We've reached higher ground. From here, we can see the roads ahead. Every step brings us closer to the next chapter of this mission. This crossroads connects everything ahead. The soldiers know the route, and I'm here to record the journey. Every road we take becomes part of history. The road ahead leads us farther into Normandy. Behind us is where we landed. Ahead is where history will continue. We've reached the town. After everything we've seen, moments like this remind us why this journey matters. The streets are slowly coming back to life. Every smile, every wave, reminds us that even after the hardest days, hope can return. We've left the town behind. Our mission isn't over yet. There's still a long road ahead, and every mile matters. We're taking a forest route now. It's quieter here, but everyone is staying alert. The mission continues. We've made it through the forest. The countryside stretches for miles. And our journey across Normandy is far from over. From up here, you can see just how much ground we've covered. This day changed history, and our journey is almost complete. Today, I witnessed courage, determination, and history. D-Day changed the course of the war. Thank you for following this journey.